Hey, I'm Clark Kinnaird, and we're here at the Detroit Tech Day for Texas Instruments. I've got a couple different TI reference designs intended for use with a power seat, and all of these are looking at what we can do with motor drives in different ways, in a lot of cases replacing relays. So we'll start down here. This is a multi-axis motor driver, assuming everything's brushed, which is very typical in the motor space for body. And so we can drive with a single chip, or forward and backward, or up and our down to adjust the seat height, as well as some other features on this particular one, such as turning on a light to maybe show the footwell behind us, or even doing a shake, which is just reciprocating one of the motors to wake up a drowsy driver, which is a good idea. So that's one TI design that you can find. Another one is here. It's a ripple counting that looks at, without an additional sensor, we take what's on the motor voltage and current, and we can determine movement just by looking at the rippling of the motor voltage. So that's a TI design that's available and gets you started on that sort of thing. And then up here, we've got a couple other sort of optional features that you might find in a car, such as power headrest, which some people say is a must-have. I certainly agree. But that's driving from a single chip solution, the DRV 8873, one of our DRV8 family of products. And then for higher current, such as tilt, a little hard to tell that that's tilting, but it is. So that's driving the whole seat base up and tilting it back and forth. So that's up to a 30 amp drive, and that's using our 8703. As well as some other features such as turning on the light, or we can even do, takes 2 button presses, but I can do a lumbar, increasing the lumbar and letting that out through a side valve there. So a couple different options that might be available. All of these are available on the TI web as TI designs, which gets you started and accelerates your time to the design. If you go on the TI web under applications and then look under automotive and then body and lighting, you'll find these designs as well as others with test data, schematics, all sorts of applications inputs. So again, thanks for watching.